Critical levels for PENGU. Pudgey Penguin is up 55.4% this week. But where is it headed next? What are the critical targets to the upside and the critical targets to the downside here for good old PENGU? Guys, I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. And you guys already know, I'm in the Crypto Citadel every single day, posting trades, posting signals. But we're going to be answering all these questions about PENGU and a lot more in this video. So make sure you're smashing those likes, hitting that subscribe, and let's jump right into it. Like I said, PENGU is up 55.4% this week, 34% on the month, and down 4.2%. So where is it headed next in the chart? Let's jump right over there. As you guys can see here on the chart, we've had a massive swing here for the value area high of May and have been rejected, coming up as high as 1.5 cents before pulling back down, being held down by this local gold pocket here and this monthly point of control for the month of May around 0.014. You guys seen that I took a nice little short off PENGU last Saturday, made $942, 45% in literally about an hour or so. Now, PENGU is continuing to pull back here, right? And so is Bitcoin, so are the altcoins overall. If PENGU continues to pull back here, the targets to the downside here coming into the month of July is basically we have a daily NPLC right at the value area high for the month of June, down at 0.012, and then below that we have another daily MPLC at basically 1 cent, not daily MPLC, daily average at a cent, and the month of June's naked point of control is down at 0.009. If we measure these moves out from where we are already, right, from where we are right now to this value area high is another 10.79% drop, not a big deal. Down to this daily average of 1 cent is a 23.38% pullback. And if we drop down to the June monthly naked point of control, which is a big target, especially if we enter the month of June, right? If we drop below this daily MPLC over here, value area high of 0.012, we'll be dropping down to 0.009, which is a 31 to about basically 30% drop for PENGU. But what are some potential targets to the upside? If PENGU can probably come down here. I see as this month we're getting rejected, we probably might come down here to this daily MPLC value area high for June before another push to the upside. Big target to the upside here for PENGU if we can break out of the May range once we bounce off the value area high, right? If, how big if, we have a quarterly untapped average up at 0.019 and we have a daily untapped average at 2.5 cents. This is after we break out of this resistance zone. This is the Q1 value area high. We break above 2 pennies, right? We start smashing towards this 2.5 cent area, and we have a macro gold pocket from the very highs to the lows of April down at 3 cents for good old Pudgey Penguins PENGU. Guys, obviously worst case scenario, if we lose the month of June as well, we could be dropping all the way down to the April monthly naked point of control of 0.05, which is a massive, massive drop. We definitely don't want to see that happening.